Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of National Agriculture Academy. In this video, we will discuss about memory based question of JRF Agronomy exam which was held on 17 September 2021. Question: Region concentration of Bray method. Answer is 0.025 mole HCl plus 0.03 mole NH4F. Next question: Domestication of sheep. The answer is 8700 BC. Next, drought prone area program started. Answer 1970. Coolest sphere of atmosphere. Answer mesosphere. Nitrogen content in atmospheric air. Answer 78%. Agroecological zones by ICR. Answer 8. Troll classification of climates based on humid months. Next, most accepted theory of ascent of water in plants. The answer is transpiration pool cohesion theory by Dixon and Joly. IMD started issuing long range weather forecasting. Answer 1988. Potential evapotranspiration based climate classification given by Thornweight and Mather. Length of growing period of intercropping. Answer 20 to 30 months. Osmotic potential is zero when water is free from solutes. Next, botanical name of green gram, Vigna radiata. Which oilseed crop perfect drying oil used for paint and varnish industry? Answer is linseed oil. Spent water used by irrigation water. Microsperma and macrosperma belongs to which legume? Answer lentil. Earthing in sugarcane follow in which method? Flat method. Which clay mineral found in red soil? Kaolinite. Which soil order has no diagnostic surface horizon? Antisoil. Characteristics of saline alkaline soil. Answer is pH less than 8.5, electrical conductivity more than 4.0, and exchangeable sodium percentage greater than 15%. Next question. Magnesium deficiency causes gray speaks and marks of P. Essentiality of zinc is given by Sommer and Lippmann. Nitrogen content in plants should be. Answer is 1 to 5%. Question. Botanical name. Berseem, Trifolium, Alexandrium, Oat, Avena sativa, Alfalfa, Medicago sativa, Sorghum bicolor. Husk is used part of which medicinal plant? Answer is isabgol. Nitrification inhibitor. Encapsulated calcium carbide. Nickel, cofactor of urease, used in urea hydrolysis. Major mineral used for MOP production, selvite. Optical sensors are used for monitoring reflected light. Green seeker. AET and PET are equal when AET stand for actual evapotranspiration and PET stand for potential evapotranspiration. The answer is soil moisture not limiting and other growing factor not limiting. Actually, this is a statement type question. Water requirement satisfaction index. The answer is water requirement satisfaction is equal to actual evapotranspiration into 100 whole upon water requirement. Next. Potassium maintain pH in cytoplasmic fluid. Answer 7 to 8. Irrigation efficiency of sprinkler system. The answer is 70% to 85%. Reflective type anti-transpiration. Kaolin. Molecular structure of herbicide change into more phytotoxic in plant called reverse metabolism. Formula of relative growth rate. Relative growth rate is equal to NAR upon LAI. NAR stand for net assimilation rate upon leaf area index. India is situated north of the equator between 8 degree 4 north north to 37 degree 7 dot north latitude and 68 degree 7 dot east to 97 degree 25 dot east longitude. Critical irrigation stage in groundnut, flowering and peck generation state. Most of the light intercepted by cultivated crop, which measure uses in pipeline, venturimeter. Individual drought can also be recognized in summer when high temperatures induce high rate of evaporation and transpiration. Even frequent shower may not supply enough water to restore the amount lost. The result is a borderline water deficiency that damages crop yields. Bipolaris bioherbicide used to control Johnson's grass in sorghum. Enzyme used by biscuit manufacturers to lower the protein level of flour. The answer is proteinase enzyme, recently developed soil odor antisols.